Hello, this is Bob from ZIQI Compressor. We are professional air compressor manufacturer over 16 years, located in Shanghai, China. Today, I'm glad to introduce one set portable diesel screw air compressor for you. The compressor is widely used for mining, road building, construction, and so on. You can see the compressor equipped with two wheels is more convenient when using and moving. Okay, please our colleagues to help us open the air compressor cabinet so we can see the inside. You can see the air compressor with a bigger size cooler to make sure the air compressor works for a long time, and also equipped with a tow bar. The design of the air compressor is more beautiful and compact. This is the diesel engine. The compressor with the ZIQI brand diesel engine. ZIQI is a famous and longer history diesel engine manufacturer in China. Quality assurance and fuel efficiency. Here is a key part. Here is a key part screw earring. ZIQI custom made with the GMD technology. Reliable working, quality assurance, and higher efficiency. Here is a bigger size fuel tank. This is two air filters. This air filter is for the diesel engine. This air filter is for the air compressor machine. Okay. This is the outlet port. You can see here is a bigger size oil air vessel to separate the compressed air and the oil. This is oil filter. There are some features for the diesel engine and also equipped with the exhaust fan with air cooled. This is the controller, intelligent controller, and in English display is very convenient to when using. Okay, if you have any question or you are interested in it, please feel free to contact us. I will go through any question with you. Goodbye now.